Ever tried reading a license plate from a weird angle? Maybe it's tilted, blurry, or half hidden behind a tree. That's the real-world challenge for systems trying to read Chinese license plates, especially those double-line plates, which are super common in China. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking new AI system that's fixing these problems, and doing it lightning fast on your phone or a smart camera. Let's break it down. So why is this even a big deal? Well, license plate recognition isn't just about scanning a number. It's about dealing with messy real-world conditions, bad lighting, strange angles, weather, you name it. Traditional systems would first correct the image, like straightening a skewed plate, then recognize the characters. But doing both steps well, that's tough, especially on devices with limited power, like traffic cameras or your car's dashboard. Enter LPTR-AFLNet, a lightweight AI that does both steps in one go. Think of it as a super smart, super fast assistant that doesn't just read plates, but fixes them on the fly. How? Let's geek out for a sec. The key innovation here is something called a perspective transformation rectification, PTR, module. Traditional systems would try to mathematically undo the distortion by guessing where the plate's corners are. But that's error-prone, especially if the plate is tilted or blurry. LPTR-AFLNet skips the guesswork. Instead, it uses AI to learn how to correct the image by watching how characters are arranged. It's like teaching a kid to fix a crooked picture by looking at the letters, not the corners. But here's the kicker, it doesn't just fix the image. It uses the recognition process itself to guide the correction. Imagine a feedback loop where the AI says, this looks like a B, but it's sideways. Let me adjust the image so it's upright. This self-correction makes the system way more accurate, especially for those tricky double-line plates. Now, let's talk about the recognition part. The team tweaked an existing model called LPRNet to handle confusing characters, like 0 versus O or 1 versus I, using a tool called a per-channel attention module. Think of it as a spotlight that highlights the most important details, like how you spot a familiar face in a crowd. They also used a custom loss function called FocalCTC, which teaches the AI to focus on hard-to-distinguish characters, like a teacher giving extra help to students who struggle. The results? This system outperforms existing methods, especially on double-line plates. It achieves a 17% improvement in recognizing rare Chinese characters and a 0.42% overall accuracy boost. In AI terms, that's like winning a marathon by a fraction of a second. It's tiny, but it matters. This tech could power smarter traffic systems, faster parking solutions, or security cameras that spot plates in the dark. But here's the real kicker, it's lightweight. Unlike heavy neural networks that need powerful GPUs, LPTR-AFLNet runs efficiently on edge devices like smartphones or cameras. That means real-time processing without the lag. Imagine a self-driving car adjusting its route based on a license plate it reads while moving. No delays, no errors. Thanks for watching. If you want to dive deeper into AI's everyday magic, hit subscribe. And drop a comment. What other real-world problems do you think AI could solve next? Let's keep the conversation going.